Welcome to Wealthsphere, where we build the mindset and systems of the wealthy. Most people don't stay broke because they lack talent. They stay broke because they lack money principles. The middle class has habits. The wealthy have rules. Today, I'm going to share the 5 money rules the wealthy live by. Rules that quietly separate those who struggle from those who rise. Listen closely. These rules aren't motivation. They're a blueprint. Rule number 1. Never rely on one income stream. Average people rely on one paycheck. Wealthy people build multiple income paths. A job is not security. A salary is not stability. It's temporary comfort disguised as safety. The rich understand something simple. One income is zero income. They build systems, not salaries, a business or brand. Investments that grow without them. Skills that can turn into consulting, online products or equity. Real estate or digital assets. Your first income keeps you alive. Your second one builds stability. Your third gives you freedom. Freedom doesn't come from earning more. It comes from earning from more places. Rule number 2. Invest before you spend. The poor spend first, then save what's left. The wealthy invest first, then spend what's safe. Before the rich buy anything, luxury, entertainment, even lifestyle upgrades, they ask, does this build my future or feed my ego? They treat money like a soldier. Every dollar has a mission. Every dollar must work. The wealthy automated this habit. Pay yourself first. Invest automatically. Let discipline beat temptation. If your money doesn't grow while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Rule number 3. Turn skills into equity. Money follows value, not effort. You don't get rich trading hours. You get rich trading skills and ownership. The wealthy invest in skills that compound. Sales, communication, leadership, investing literacy, technology skills, building systems, branding plus digital leverage. But here's the secret. Skills get you paid. Ownership makes you wealthy. Learn, apply, build, own. That's the chain every millionaire follows. Rule number 4. Buy assets, not impressions. Most people go broke trying to look wealthy. The wealthy get wealthy by looking broke long enough to actually be rich. Luxury isn't earned by desire. It's earned by discipline. Assets first, ego later. Ask yourself, will this purchase rise in value, or will I only get likes? Cars, vacations, designer clothes. They come after wealth, never before. Wealthy people don't avoid enjoyment. They delay it intelligently. Rule number 5. Think in decades, not days. The wealthy play long-term games. Compounding isn't just about money. It's about habits, discipline, networks and reputation. The rich aren't looking for fast money. They're looking for forever money. When you think long-term, pressure reduces, decisions improve, wealth becomes inevitable. Your life changes the moment you stop rushing success and start building it brick by brick. Final message: build your wealth code. Wealth isn't an accident. It's a skill set. Follow these rules, and you won't just make money. You'll keep it, grow it, multiply it. One income is zero income. Invest before you spend. Turn skills into equity. Buy assets before lifestyle. Think decades, not days. This is how wealth is built. Quietly, consistently, intelligently. You don't need to be lucky. You only need to be disciplined. Welcome to Wealthsphere, where we build the mindset and systems of the wealthy.